guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Genesys Skye and I'm feeling pretty fucking fly right now. Today I am reviewing the Blusher palettes. I have it in my hands, I have it on my eyes, and I'm pretty excited about it. My eyes are watering again. No more. No, no, no. No crying. I'm just so happy. My boyfriend Gabe got this for me for Christmas and I literally have not touched it, swatched it, or anything like that. So you guys don't know how much I wanted to put my hands in this and my brushes and put it on my face and
be the palette, lick the palette, and taste the palette, and touch the palette.
You guys will see my thoughts at the end of the video. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Put your back into it. Let's get right into it. I'm a little crazy. All right, guys. So let's open up this palette. It's just so iconic. Gotta open up the hinges. And this is the palette. So let's get started. And what do I want to dip into? Oh wow, this is really pigmented. I am really happy with how this blended out. She's cute. Okay, tongue pop. I like you. I am gonna go in with brick. This color is definitely buildable. I just took a lot more on my brush and yeah, she's cute. All right, I am gonna just start dragging this out. Okay, I'm gonna take more of Tongue Pop and I'm just gonna blend out and diffuse the edges. Now I'm just dipping into Cake Mix and I'm using this in the upper bridge to connect and blend my eyeshadow with my contour. And now I am just dipping into Fresh Meat and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and just smoke it out. Smoky, smoky, smoky. I really like this shade. It's like a deep beet red and I am loving it. Now I'm just connecting it with the wing and using my Morphe E32 brush. I am going in with Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to cut the crease, and what I first do is lay a little bit of product down, and wherever it transfers as I look up is where I'm going to start drawing my cut crease.
This actually was not a good brush to use for this, so I ended up switching it. You can see that I'm kind of struggling with this brush. It's just way too big and it's not small. It's just not good for this. So yeah, I changed it to this lip brush by Eco Tools, and this worked so much better, as you can see.
Alright, so I did my other eye off camera and I did my eyebrows off camera as well.
Now I'm just going to add some NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to my waterline. And I'm taking this Soft Kohl by Rimmel London, and it is in the black color, and I'm just lining my outer lash line. And now I'm just going to use my favorite Monsieur Big mascara.
Alright, and thanks to my Monsieur Big mascara by Lancome, my eyelashes look so good. But today we are going to be applying the 3D Foam Mink Ardell lashes. They look like this. They're so pretty. Alright, so I did want to save blush for last because I do want to use a shade in the palette and I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with my eyes and I want my blush to match my eyes. Let's pick a shade to use for my blush. I'm going to use Tongue Pop, and that was the transition shade that I used. So pretty and peachy. Oh my gosh. I feel so cute. Now I'm going to apply my new favorite gloss. It is Caramel Kiss by Victoria's Secret. My lips literally taste like a caramel frappuccino. I love it. I feel so gorgeous right now. I'm just gonna straighten my hair a little bit because honestly when I started the video I was like, I'm not gonna brush my hair, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna do the review. So I didn't even bother like with my hair because I feel like it just takes so much time and I just wanted to get it going. Alright, now that I feel absolutely gorgeous, I want to talk about the palette and just tell you guys my thoughts on it. Looking at the palette, I love the whole color scheme and I think it's super stunning. The shade Candy Floss was a little bit underwhelming for me, and that's this one. It's just not like glittery enough. Kind of feel like he made the conscious decision to keep all of these shimmers in this palette like kind of underwhelming. And I feel like he did that on purpose because then it makes people want to buy his highlighters, because you can use the highlighters on your eyes, but I think that all the mattes are really beautiful, and I still haven't used all of them yet, but I really love all of them so far. I just want to do a couple swatches, to be honest. Yeah, like, okay, there's only 4 shimmers in this palette. Candy Floss is just really powdery. Donor is really sparkly. Sweetener is really pretty. Blood Sugar is very like satin shimmer, which I'm not like mind blown over any of the shimmers. It's still pretty. It just is not my favorite. There are a lot of mattes in this palette. It would have been nice if you put like, wow, like bam, like shiny, glittery pink in here. Like I really would have liked that, and that would have been the cherry on top for me. Other than that, I really love this palette. All of the mattes like blend out really well, and the palette is like stunning. It's stunning and it's beautiful, and I can't really complain too much. There's just the fact that the shimmers are just like meh. By the way, you guys, if you wanted to know where I got these contacts, I actually got them from Yummy Color. Would not suggest them. I can't really see that well out of them, so if this makeup look turned out bad, then I blame the eye contacts, because I can't really see that well. Those are my thoughts. I really like how this look turned out. Why did I do that? Tune in for my next video if you want. Click that bell, subscribe, and like this video if you liked it. And I hope to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, I feel so cute and like sexy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just gonna add a little more highlighter. Oh, yes. This Blood Sugar palette is
Genesys Skye approved.